Welcome to part 55 of Daily English. Today's situation. Travel and accommodation, checking into a hotel. I'd like to check in. Example. I'd like to check in. I have a reservation. I have a reservation. Example. I have a reservation under the name John Smith. May I see your passport? Example. May I see your passport, please? What time is checkout? Example. What time is checkout tomorrow? Is breakfast included? Example. Is breakfast included in the room price? Could I have the room key? Example. Could I have the room key, please? Where is the elevator? Example. Excuse me. Where is the elevator? Could I get a wake-up call? Example. Could I get a wake-up call at 6 a.m.? Enjoy your stay. Example. Thank you. Enjoy your stay. Mini conversation. Guest, hello. I'd like to check in. I have a reservation. Receptionist, certainly. May I see your passport, please? Guest, here you are. Receptionist, thank you. Your room is on the 5th floor. Breakfast is included. Guest, great. Thank you very much. Daily tip. When checking into a hotel, you'll usually need to confirm your reservation, show your passport, and ask about hotel services. These expressions will help you check in quickly and confidently. Speaking challenge. Imagine you've just arrived at a hotel. Tell the receptionist you have a reservation, ask about breakfast and checkout time, then complete the conversation using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 56. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.